Hi, myself Pawan, and you are watching Code from Scratch. If you are new to my channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of these tutorials. So, Java was created by James Gosling in 1995 for Sun Microsystems. And Java is a platform-independent programming language that follows the logic of write once and run anywhere. What does this mean? It means that the developer writes the code once and he could run the code in any machine, let it be a Windows machine or it could be a Linux machine. So that's the reason why Java is so popular still the date. Now the next question should come in your mind is why we need Java? Because it has such a big domain. From Android to big data to scientific research, everywhere Java is present. These are some of the technologies that make use of Java. So you can get into any technical field if you have a Java background. From Angular to Node, Selenium, Android, Hadoop, Hibernate and Spring. All are there with different perspective and features. So let's move on to the features of Java. The first feature comes up is simple because Java does not support a complex concept like pointer. So that execution time will be less as well as the development time. And even Java has an added concept called as garbage collection, which actually helps to destroy the useless objects, which helps to free up the memory. So the next feature comes up is portable. Application written on one platform of Java can be easily ported to another platform independently, as we have discussed earlier. So the third feature is object-oriented. So Java is an object-oriented programming language. Everything is considered to be an object in Java and all operations are performed using these objects. So the next feature is secure. Because Java compiles as bytecode which then run inside a virtual machine. It cannot access computer as it could run on native compiled program. The general reason why Java is considered to be more secure than such as C language is because it handles memory management for you. So in that respect it is more secure. The next thing comes is distributed. So Java has a feature called remote method invocation, RMI, using which a program can invoke methods of another program across the network and get the output from it. Then comes dynamic. So Java program carry with them substantial amount of runtime information. For now, just understand that the objects in Java have some data in it or some information that they carry, which is used to verify and resolve the access to object at runtime. Now comes robust. Java check the code not only during the compilation time but also at the runtime, because of which Java completely takes care of memory allocation and deallocation, which makes the Java program more robust. The last but not the least is high performance. Java achieves high performance through the use of bytecode, which can easily translate into native machine code. So that's all in today's video. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.